Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We're going to talk digital couponing again today because it is weekly coupon savings. My question as we get started on this particular video is, who are you willing to give your money to? And are you being punked? Wait till you see this week's ads. If you haven't looked already, come along with me and take a peek. Now, if you've been to my channel before, you know I'm all about prepping, being frugal when it comes to shopping for food items and central daily living expenses, and canning and prepping and awareness. Now, I've said many times on my videos, awareness is preparedness. And we have prepared ourselves well, starting about 19 months ago with food prepping, portion sizing, eating differently, etc., etc. And you can watch my videos posted throughout my channel and take a peek at my videos, and I invite you to do so. But before we get into this week's coupons, I want you to please, at this point, give me a like. I can't tell you how it pushes the algorithm so that I can get monetized. Hit that like button so I can get paid, okay? It helps. But I want to talk about this week's coupons. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Brett. No apologies. You do you, boo. That's how I roll. Now, Kevin and I are not going to go shopping again this week for food at the grocery market because we don't need anything. This will be week 3 that we've not traveled up to the supermarket to buy anything other than milk. Excuse me. We did take a excursion last week, and I picked up 20 pounds of potatoes at 99 cents for 5 pounds. So we spent $3.97 out the door for 20 pounds of potatoes. And I'm going to use my food dehydrator here in the next few days, and I'm going to bring you along with that as well, a new way of preparing food. But today I want to talk about this week's coupons. And again, I'm going to ask before you take a look at this, are you being punked? Awareness is preparedness. Let's get into this. All right, I want you to take a look here. Here we have corn. Now there's 2 different options for you this week on ears of corn. They've got 4 ears fresh for $5. They also are going to offer you what they call premium ears. Don't know what the premium is about, but they're going to offer it. 2 premium ears for $1. Well, I said, that must be some good stuff. But let's take a look. Last week, they had corn for 17 cents an ear. So again, I'll ask, awareness is preparedness. You're being punked. This week, you can spend $5 for 4 ears, $1 for 2 ears, or you could have got on board last week and paid attention and got 17 cents for as many ears as you wanted. Actually, it was for 8. All right, let's move on. Now, they're offering Cheerios this week. Cheerios. For those of you who eat cereal, you know that that product is out the roof in regards to cost. My electrolytes. So, cereal, Cheerios, $1.99 a box this week. You say, that is a bargain. So you march off that grocery store, but wait, don't go yet. Last week, they had Cheerios 2 boxes for $3. Again, I ask, $1.99 a box or 2 for $3? The math is real. So let's move on to the next thing. Now, the thumbnail on this video was eggs. Now, what they're offering this week is 18-count eggs for $2.49 right here. Limit 2. Last week, they offered eggs count for $1.47. So you're going to pay $1 more, $1.02 more this week to get 6 more eggs. Are you willing to spend 17.05 cents an egg? I ask. Again, it's your money. You do with what you want. But being aware makes you a better consumer when it comes to shopping and spending your money. And that's what I'm all about, to help you shop wisely. So let's move on to the next thing. They have here fresh salads, $2.99 a pack. Now, if you're one of those people that don't eat a lot of lettuce and it spoils for you in the refrigerator and you don't get it eaten up by adding all the other ingredients to make a salad, you can buy these packs of salad for $2.99. Fantastic, right? Wait, last week they had it right here for $1.99. You say, what? It went up $1 in 1 week? That's a red hot deal? Let's move on. Chicken. They have chicken breast again, boneless. This week, they're going to sell you the chicken for $2.49 a pound. You say, well, that's pretty good, Jeff. What's wrong with that? $2.49 for a pound of chicken? That's dynamite, right? There's the ad. But last week, they had it for $1.77 a pound, boneless at the butcher counter. So I ask you again, what's the difference between that chicken from last week to this week? You know what the difference is. Prices are going to continue to go up, and grocery stores are doing their best to try to get you in because they're aware that consumers are more aware and they're shopping differently. And I want you to continue to shop differently as well, so pay attention. Now, this one, all right, they got you. They're selling burger again, ground beef, 80% lean, this week for $3.97 a pound, limit 6 pounds. You say, fantastic. Okay, go get some if you'd like. Last week, they had it for $3.99 a pound, limit 6. So you're saving 2 cents a pound. So march down to the supermarket, save yourself 2 cents on 6 pounds, which is 12 cents to get that burger. The savings is real, folks, 2 cents. Okay, let's move on to grapes. Last week, they had grapes for $1.47 a pound. This week, they have grapes for $1.47 a pound. Grape harvest must be in season. Now, here's the only thing that I would leave you with. This week they have Folgers coffee at $9.99. I think it's a 22 to 29 ounce container right here. $9.99 if you click the digital U Save coupon. The U deal, pretty good deal. Normally it's $20.99. You can get it for $9.99 and save $11. Click it. That's the only thing you need to be buying this week. If you buy anything, if you've been prepping and preparing and staying aware and spending your money wisely, you will see that following me is the best option to get the best shopping deal out there. Because I'm going to be real about it and explain it to you and break it down like we're doing today. So the only thing I would tell you this week is go get the ground beef. Go get your Folgers coffee if you're a Folgers coffee drinker. And if you missed your cereal last week, 2 boxes, you're out. You'll still get one this week for $2. If you need cereal, go get it. Now, if you break all this down, you ask yourself, why are the prices fluctuating so much from week to week? It's because the reality of price increase is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. It's going to continue to rise, and the prices are going to get even higher as we move into summer and fall. Now, I've told you over the last few months that prices were going to continue to go up and things were going to become rare. Now, they do have, if you want, today, 85 cents for a Roma tomato at my Safeway. So if you want a Roma tomato, get it for 85 cents. I want to thank you for coming along. I hope this helps. Go get your Red Hot digital deals. And let me explain it to you one more time. They're showing the U deal here in this app. Now, what the U deal means is, individually as a shopper, they try to engage you to continue to come in and buy things that you normally buy. And they monitor your shopping experience. And if you've not purchased these certain items in a length of time, they're going to offer you a deal. U deal. It's at the bottom of your app. If you sign up for the digital app on your phone or tablet when you shop. So the U deal is what they put together individually for each shopper. Now, Kevin and I can go in, and my shopper in Florida, I forget her name, I can see it, Virginia maybe, her and her daughter share apps together, so they double up on their purchasing. That's the way to do it. Kevin and I do the same thing. We double up when there's a good sale. So if you double up on your sales, you're gonna do good of stocking your refrigerator and your freezer. But on the U deals, they offer individually. My U deal and Kevin's U deal are always different. They don't offer it to everybody the same deal. See, they're monitoring your purchasing. So strategy is to get you in more often, sell these items, add to your grocery cart, profit for the store, less money in your wallet, and you walk away. That's the way it works. So this week, what they're doing is a U deal across the board for everybody. You'll see on the coupon here, U deals. The entire store is a section of U deals that they're going to offer every consumer that comes through that door. So pay attention to the U deals, get yourself your bargains, and if you've not started shopping yet using digital coupons, please get on board. Watch my videos. I'm going to show you how to save. And those who follow me know it's worked for them. They have filled their freezers, they've stocked their refrigerators, they've prepped their food, they've canned, they've saved hundreds of dollars, and they're eating healthier. All right? So I thank you for coming along, watching my video. Leave me your comments, share with me how things are changing price-wise in your area, and let's stay vigilant with that dollar. Till next time, be kind. Ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.